It's really going to drift. Wish I'd have parked them all out close to the road. Way over at the school, the snow is as high as the school. It's ugly. Where's my car at?
Somewhere in here.
January 8th?
Yeah.
Blizzard of 96. A lot of hard work here this morning. Wasn't it, Kelly?
Whatever.
A lot of hard work.
Eat the pie.
There's my helpers, right? You guys help me.
Look how thick it is.
That's right.
That's the big. Shut up.
They got off school today, Monday. They got off school tomorrow, Tuesday. Kelly. Olympic bobsledder, Kelly Sue Miller now starting. 1, 2, 3, go. There she comes down the home stretch. Through the tunnel. And she zooms by me. Stop.
I don't have any shoes on. Wait till she gets out of my way. Okay, go.